Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a highly nutritious, gluten-free weight loss roti recipe perfect for those with health issues like thyroid, PCOS and diabetes, or for those who simply wants to eat healthy in their weight loss journey. So let's quickly dive into the recipe. To make gluten-free roti for weight loss, into a bowl I'm adding in 1 cup of yellow cornmeal, also known as Makki Atta. Into this I'm adding in pink Himalayan salt as needed. A fat pinch of ajwain, also known as carrom seeds. Ajwain helps with digestion and also gives a nice flavor to the roti. So when you're adding ajwain, make sure you crush and add so that the flavors are released. Give this all a mix. Makki Atta is made from corn kernels. It is gluten free. It is a rich source of B vitamins, vitamin A, C, K, beta carotene and selenium. All these nutrients can improve functioning of the thyroid gland and helps in maintaining immunity. Makki roti can be enjoyed as a meal for those with health issues like thyroid and PCOS. In Malayalam we call this as cholam podi, and it is easily available locally. Since Makki Atta does not contain any gluten, you need some binding to help it roll out into a soft and smooth roti. And for that I am using 1 mooli, also known as radish and mullangi in Malayalam. I am going to peel and grate the radish or mooli, and I'll also be finely chopping the tender leaves. I'm finely chopping in the tender leaves of the mooli, and then I'm grating in the mooli. Into this I'm adding in half teaspoon turmeric powder. Today I'm using bygone turmeric, which has high curcumin content. Into this I'm adding in 1/4 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder. Black pepper helps in better assimilation of the active ingredient in turmeric known as curcumin faster into your body. So try not to skip using black pepper when you are using turmeric. Turmeric also will help to boost your immunity. And I'm mixing all this really well into the dough. Mooli or radish has moisture, and that will help to gather it into a dough. And once you have gathered it into a dough, add in 2 tablespoons hot boiling water and give this a nice mix. Mix it really well, as it will help to make the roti soft. This is an ideal meal for those with health issues like thyroid, PCOS and diabetes, or for those who simply wants to eat healthy in their weight loss journey. And now the dough is nicely mixed. So I'm going to rest it for about 5 minutes. Okay, it's about 5 minutes and the dough has rested, and I'll just show you how the mooli or grated radish is holding the dough. The small fibers in the mooli or grated radish is helping to hold the dough. Since there is no gluten, we need some binding to help the dough to form into a soft roti. And as you can see, the dough is soft and is of spreadable consistency. I'm dividing the dough into 3 equal portions. I'm going to show you how to make Makki roti in a much easier way. I have a wet cotton napkin and I'm placing the napkin on the work surface. Next I am placing the dough on the napkin. This is wet cotton napkin, and with wet hands I am spreading the dough. You can dip your fingers in water to help it spread. Spread it out as thinly as possible. I prefer to make small rotis when I am using Makki Atta, but it is just a matter of personal preference. If you like bigger rotis, you can divide the dough into 2 equal portions. Make sure you dip your fingers in water and spread it out into a round roti. And with wet fingers, just level the top. This will help to erase all the finger marks on the roti. I have already heated my cast iron tawa. I am placing roti side down onto the hot tawa. I've reduced the flame to the lowest and I'm going to allow it to stay like this for about 10 to 15 seconds. After about 15 seconds, slowly Peel off the cotton napkin. Sprinkle a little bit of water on top. And you can flip it over once the water which we have sprinkled on top has evaporated. And remember, I have kept the flame on the lowest. To make the next roti, I am drizzling some water onto the wet cotton napkin. Place the dough in the center. Dip your fingers in water and press it out. You don't have to worry about the sides being uneven initially. It will be done once the roti has been spread out. Spread it out as thinly as possible and make sure you dip your fingers in water. And once it has spread into your desired thickness, lightly level the top with wet fingers. This will eliminate all the finger markings on the roti. The water which has been sprinkled on top has evaporated, and now I'm going to flip it over. I'm allowing it to cook that side as well. Flip it over. At this stage, I like to drizzle some desi ghee. I'm using A2 desi ghee. Healthy fats like desi ghee helps in better assimilation of fat-soluble vitamins, especially the vitamin A in Makki Atta. So you need to use a good source of healthy fat when you are making Makki Roti. Healthy fats like wood-pressed oils are also ideal. Flip it over. And my super healthy gluten-free Makki Roti is ready to serve. You can enjoy it with the saag or any side dish or even pickle of your choice. Repeat the same thing with the rest of the dough. And once done, remove to a plate. So guys, do try this healthy and nutrient dense Makki Roti and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.